Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna go over a trade that I took today and called it out on Discord. Made over $1,100 profit on this trade within 5 minutes. All right, so now let's go over the chart. So the trade that I took today was on US30 and on Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, and I used the MetaTrader platform to take my trades. Unfortunately, I could not record it live as I was not expecting to take any trades, to be honest. I just saw the opportunity and then I just took the trade and called it out on Discord. All right, so the reason I took this trade, so this is the 1 hour chart, naked chart. There's nothing on the chart, just to see a clearer picture, just to show you what was going through my mind. So when I was about to take this trade, what I noticed was this demand zone on the 1 hour time frame on US30. So if you guys look at this, we had a spike, a big move down on the hourly time frame after this red candle here, which I have it marked as black. So if I draw this zone here, you guys can see, so this is our demand zone within that 1 hour time frame. So if I replay this chart and go back, so when I called out the trade on Discord, we were trading right here. It was this candle, and oh, sorry, my bad. It was market was trading here. I'll show you the time of the call out. It was right at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and this is the one o'clock candle of the hourly. So what happened was, if we go down to, so we have this demand zone on the 1 hour. If we go down to 5 minute, so one of the strategies that I've mentioned before is that I always use the 1 hour time frame to look for the big demand or supply or big support or resistance lines, and then I go down to 5 minutes to find my entry. If I'm looking at the 4 hour, if I see a zone on the 4 hour time frame, then I go down to 15-minute time frame. So now we found our demand zone on the 1 hour, therefore we go down to 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, so we were looking at this area. So if you guys look at how the candles were developing, so I'm just gonna play this forward. So we are bouncing right off of this demand zone here. Market had a rejection around here, and we formed a supply right around this area. So that was my only concern, that we had a supply right at this area, and when market went into that supply zone, it kind of got rejected. So if I move this back, so the trade, if I go down on Discord, you'll see when I called out the trade. So this is our Discord, the intraday commentary. So that's where we called out the trade. So the first position we took today was at 1:42 p.m. These are all Eastern Standard Time. It was a losing position for a very small loss. It was like less than $200, and we exited right away. And then on the next trade, we capitalized around $1,300, or not, I don't remember exactly. It was either $1,100 or $1,300. So I mentioned US30 sitting in this hourly demand at the lower price range, which makes it interesting for a long. So that's exactly where I called out ES30 at 2:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as you guys can see, this is Monday, May 22nd. Then I mentioned that you can go long here with a stop below 33,270 and target about VWAP at yesterday's closing price 33,400 plus as a target. Now, when I opened my position, I posted it here. I had a small position. I had an initial entry here, right at the 33,340. I had a 60-point profit target on this trade. And then when I saw this move up, and getting close to the supply zone, and I was watching the tape, and the buyers were kind of getting aggressive at this area, so I added to my position. And as you guys can see, so I got in with more lots on this US30 when I had the confirmation, and in this screenshot we're up $250. So I mentioned, all right, this could turn into a big squeeze, get ready, and I've added to my position. And earlier, I mentioned that there are some orders sitting at 33,420, which they have not filled after the morning push down. So expecting a retest of that area. What was I talking about in that area? It was around this area that we had a rejection, and also we had a fair value gap, an order imbalance all the way from here to here. So these two areas, I was giving a chance. I thought we might test these two areas. What do I have a line here? We might test either somewhere around here or touch into this area. But unfortunately, market did not move that higher, but we still managed to make a decent amount of profit on this trade. Now, what happened was that if I play this forward, so you guys can see how this played out. So we had a move up and a quick move up on this candle and a rejection. So that's where I took profit. So at the top of this wick, that's where I took my profit. And if we go on Discord, that's where I say I'm out of 80% of my position, moved stop loss to break even for the rest, and then right away I took profit on the rest of it as well. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see I was also walking through my trade on my story live, and everyone saw where we took our profit and everything. And we had instant rejection after that move up. And after that, market was just consolidating and just had a move down, and we closed right into this consolidation range. So this was a trade on US30. Again, the reason I took this trade was first the 1 hour demand, and also then when I go down to 5 minute, if I see a demand at 1 hour, I want to see a demand at 5 minute as well. On the 5 minute, we were just seeing a lot of big wicks towards the downside, which is usually showcasing that sellers are just getting absorbed and buyers are stepping in and pushing the price back up. So one time this happened here, and another time it happened around here, and then we had that move up and break out of this and came all the way back to this wick and got rejected instantly again. We took our profit right here, and this was the trade. We made around $1,100, $1,200 profit on this trade, and that was basically the second trade. I took two trades, one for $200 loss, the other one for more than $1,100 profit, and we called it a day. And we also called the trade for everyone on Discord. All right, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys smash that like button, and also comment down below what you want to see in the future videos. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and see you guys in the next video.